Hello students, I am Shailendra Pratap Singh, PRT KB OEF Hajratpur, Firozabad. In this part, we will discuss about EVS chapter number 16, games we play. In previous part, we have completed indoor games and this part will be for outdoor games and we will know about some of the outdoor games. Outdoor games. The games we play outside our house or in the ground are called outdoor games. For example, hockey, cricket, football, badminton. Here you can see some of the pictures which is related to hockey, cricket, race and football. Hockey. Here you can see many players have sticks in his hand. Hockey is the national game of India. Hockey is played between two teams. Each team has 11 players. Every player has one hockey stick to hit a ball. Here you can see they have hockey sticks in their hand. In this game, the aim is to hit the ball inside the net and of the other team. This game is played in two halves of 35 minutes. India won gold medal in Summer Olympic in 1928 with the help of Major Dhyan Chand, who is also known as the magician of hockey. Cricket, which is most popular game in India and also world. Here you can see this is a stadium. Some of the players are playing and there is a rectangular clearing. This is called pitch. Player is batting. You can see there is a bat and one player is also with the bat. One player is throwing the ball. This is called bowler. Means he is bowling. Okay. Cricket is a game played with bat and ball having 11 players on each side of the two teams. The person who hits the ball is called batsman. Here are the two batsmen, 1 and 2. And another person who bowls is called a bowler. Okay. Cricket matches are played in a ground having a rectangular clearing in the middle known as pitch. This is pitch. The aim of the two teams is to restrict the opponent in less runs and while bowling make maximum runs by batting. 3 wickets on each end are placed on the pitch. 3 wickets, 1, 2, 3. 3 wickets and also here 1, 2, 3. 3 wickets are placed on the pitch. The batsman while batting has two responsibility to protect the wickets from falling. The apex body which governs cricket in whole world is ICC. Third game is football. Here you can see some of the players is running behind a ball. And this ball is football. Football is an outdoor game which is most popular in the world. The name football is combination of two words, foot and ball. Foot means leg and ball means a big ball where players run and kick a big ball from their foot. Football is played between two teams and each team has 11 players in it and one of the players is a goalkeeper. There is a goal post constructed at the both ends of a big ground where a big net is tied with the goal post. Each player competes with his opponent and tries to kick the ball into opponent's goal post, which is called goal. Two goalkeepers stand in front of their team's goal post in order to prevent the ball entering their goal post to save a goal. And the next game is badminton. Here you can see this is a racket and these are the shuttlecocks which is made of feather of birds. Badminton is racket sport played with the shuttlecock on the both sides of net. The shuttlecock is made of feather. It can be played with two-player singles. When four players play at the time, it is called doubles. Mixed doubles when both male and female participate as a partner in game. There are some words which are used in this game. Serving, scoring, lets are the terms used in the game. Here are some famous personalities of the game. We can see here and we have to recognize them. First picture is Dhanraj Pillai, hockey. He is the only Indian player in 4 Olympics, 4 World Cups, and 4 Champion Trophy. Under his captaincy, India won Asian Games in 1998 and Asia Cup 2003. The second picture is famous tennis player Leander Paes, and the third picture Sania Nehwal badminton. She became the first Indian woman to be ranked number one in Badminton World Federation. And the next picture is famous footballer of India. He is Baichung Bhutia from Sikkim. Baichung Bhutia is a former Indian professional footballer who played as a striker. You all know about that. He is famous star cricketer of India. He is Sachin Tendulkar. Most successful cricketer in Indian cricket history, the highest run scorer in international cricket, and also hold many unbreakable records. He is magician of hockey, Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand, known as Magician of Hockey, he was the leading goal scorer in the Olympic 1928. On the 29th of August, we celebrate National Sports Day on his birthday. Next is Sania Mirza. She is a professional tennis player. And the last one is Vishwanathan Anand chess. He is a 5 times world chess champion. He became the first grandmaster from India in 1988. After seeing this, we have some work for you. Activities. First, make a picture of local game and write rules of that game. Second, collect some flashcards of different games and associate them into separate games. Third is make a doll by using old clothes in your house. And project works. Collect information of any famous sports person in your area, write her or his name and the game with which she or he is associated. Second work is make a sheet of famous sport person of India and word with their name. And the third, draw a picture of your favorite game and write about it. Thank you for watching.